As the world is moving towards digital technologies, the defense sector is also taking steps to implement digital documentation through products such as IETM and CBT. We are excited about this opportunity and look forward to take a part in this transition. With the vision of providing futuristic documentation experience, ILXS is formed.
Class 3 IETM covers user-based login, module selection, manage user, manage annotation, manage bookmarks, print history, backup and restore, interlinked PDF. Class 4 IETM or IETP covers all Class 3 features with add-ons of multimedia content, bookmarks, image explainer, word explainer, hotspots, animations, exploded views, search feature, navigational index, inbuilt text editor, inbuilt XML editor. Computer-based training covers user-based login, module selection, manage user, interactive videos, procedural animation, voice-over content, subtitles.